Hi, my name's Don. I live in Homer Glen. It's a 66 Ford Falcon. It's got a 351 Cleveland in it with a top loader 4-speed. It's got a Detroit locker rear end. I bought it back in 2002 from a guy in Boston. At that time it was set up for a quarter mile. It had no interior in it, just one racing bucket seat, roll bar. And in 2009 I took it into the shop and I told them what I wanted and detuned the engine a little bit for the street. New paint, whole interior in it. This is not going to be raced. Nope, I got too much money into it. I let it be built because I decided I wanted to drive it before I turned 80. So I didn't build it myself. I had it done. I had a 66 before I went into service, and my father didn't know what it had in it, and I came home from Great Lakes one weekend and my car was gone because I found out 20 years later he got stopped for doing 85 and a 25 and he was drag racing. So then I bought this one and had this built just the way I wanted it, and I enjoy it. It's great fun. Runs like gangbusters. I got a couple of vested crews over in Homer Glen at their car show on Sundays, but other than that, you know, I go to a couple of them around the area, but I just do a little cruising in it, just enjoying car. But the one thing is, people are always surprised to see 66 because you don't really see them. You see the 60s through 65, and this is just so unusual that, you know, I get tired of looking at Camaros and GTOs and Chevelles and that, and I just wanted something really different. And I just kind of like the body style on it. Got it.